Hi, we're Big Y's Living Well, Eating Smart registered dietitian team. I'm Carrie.
I'm Andrea.
And I'm Mike Whitehead, Big Y's chocolate buyer.
For today's episode of Big Y Local Love, we're in Somerville, Mass, visiting Taza Chocolate.
Let's go inside and get suited up and meet Alex.
Very good.
Hey guys, ever tried Taza Chocolate? It's delicious.
Oh, I love making hot chocolate with the disc. It's so good.
So good.
Oh, you know what I love is the toffee chocolate.
Yeah,
Definitely my favorite.
I love the 87% dark chocolate.
Yeah, I'm more of the 70%.
Yeah?
You know, I'm a milk chocolate, low dark chocolate.
Yeah, they're all good though, they're delicious. Let's go to the roasting room. That's where Alex is, I think.
Oh, this must be this room?
There he is.
Hey guys.
Hey Alex,
hey,
how you
Alex.
doing?
Welcome to Taza Chocolate.
Yeah, thanks for
Hey
having
Alex,
us.
good to see you.
Glad you could come.
So tell us a little bit about Taza Chocolate.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're what you call a bean-to-bar chocolate making company. We have a manufacturing plant here in Somerville, Massachusetts, where we make all of our products under one roof. We've been in business for 13 years now. My wife and I started it. We were passionate about food and chocolate. We wanted to make a product that was really high quality and also something that we could be really proud of in the community here. We actually make a very different style of chocolate than most chocolate companies. We use traditional stone mills to make a stone ground chocolate that has a really intense flavor and a really different texture.
So, Alex, what do you have in your hand?
This is a cocoa pod, one that's been dried out. It's no longer fresh, but this is where all chocolate flavor comes from. They grow in the tropics, and we source cocoa beans directly from the Dominican Republic, Haiti, and Ghana. When this is fresh and you crack it open, inside you'll find this beautiful white fruit and a bunch of seeds that we call cocoa beans.
Can we take a look at
Yeah,
that?
sure. These beans that we are working with here in our facility have been fermented and dried at the farm level, and we spend a great deal of time working with our cocoa farmer partners to make sure that the quality and the flavor of these cocoa beans is exceptional for our specific needs as a chocolate maker. We also use only certified organic ingredients to make all of our products as pure as possible. So it's something we're really proud of, and I'm really excited to show you our factory today. So first we roast the cocoa beans, and then we'll winnow the shell away from the cocoa beans to give us cocoa nibs. We'll bring the cocoa nibs to the grinding room where you'll get a chance to take those nibs and grind them into what we call cocoa liquor. After we've got the cocoa liquor, we'll be able to mix the sugar into the chocolate mass in the mixing tank, and then we can refine the chocolate mass with one of our refining machines. We have the traditional rotary stone mills for our traditional Mexican style chocolate, and we have our granite roll refiners for our amaze bars and our dark bark product. After the product's been refined, it'll be held in a holding tank until it's tempered and deposited into the mold cavities to make whatever product that we're making, be it chocolate bars, chocolate discs, bark, bulk products. And once it's done cooling in those molds, it'll get demolded over here in the packaging room. So come on guys, we're gonna go over here and I'm gonna put you to work bagging up some of this delicious stone ground chocolate bark.
All right, good.
Ready? Come on. You need a bag. You need to open the bag. Once the bag's open, there's a foot pedal down there. You want to slide this into the pocket, step on the foot pedal, and then make sure all the product gets down in there. Take it out. You can put it in the box here for sealing, date coding, and case boxing. Once that happens, the bags will get check weighed, date coded, and heat sealed over here.
Well, so can we give this step a try?
Yeah. Annie, show them how to do it.
You want to try it, Mike?
Sure, yeah.
Once they're check weighed, date coded, heat sealed, they'll be packaged into case boxes and palletized to go over into the warehouse. Ready to go.
So Alex, thanks again for showing us how to make delicious Taza chocolate.
Thanks for coming. That was a lot of fun showing you around, and I think you're gonna have even more fun in the store. And you know what, Kathleen's up there. Why don't you go meet her and have some more delicious treats.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alex.
Oh, look, they have vanilla. That sounds delicious.
Hey guys.
Hi, Kathleen.
Hey, Kathleen.
Here.
It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys too. Thanks for coming.
Now, what is your role here at Taza Chocolate?
So I'm a founder and I'm also the Chief Design Officer, and I run our R&D program and I design all of our packaging.
I mean, it's beautiful packaging. Can you tell us a little bit about your inspiration for it?
Sure, thank you so much. First of all, our chocolate itself is really bold in flavor, and so are the cocoa beans that we use to make it. In all of the packaging that I design, I try to use bright, bold colors to really reflect what you're gonna get in the product. And then you can see here we have circular discs, and that was inspired by a product that they make in Mexico for drinking chocolate.
So where did the name Taza come from?
Good question. So Taza means cup in Spanish, and Alex, who you just met, when he was in Mexico, he had a Taza de Chocolate, which means a cup of chocolate, and he was really inspired to bring that tradition here to the States, and that's how we came up with the name Taza.
Kathleen, we really appreciate your local partnership with Taza Chocolate. And as you know, local partners are extremely important to Big Y. So I just want to thank you for your partnership with us.
Yeah, well, we really appreciate your partnership. All of our partners are part of what makes our mission a reality. So the more chocolate that we can make and bring to consumers, the more cocoa beans we can buy from farmers directly.
Well, thank you again, Kathleen. We really had a great day today.
It was our pleasure. Thank you for coming.
If you enjoyed this episode of Big Y Local Love, make sure you follow Big Y and Living Well Eating Smart on Facebook and Instagram, and check out more of our Local Love episodes at BigY.com.